Okay, I have the keys to unlock Pocket Ronnie.
Alright, we're going to be doing the volume of an object today. Volume, when we're doing the volume, that's a 3D object. Volume is how much will fit inside this box. Or the volume, how much will fit inside this vegetable can, soda can, any kind of cylinder. Okay? When you deal with volume, you're dealing with cubic units. Your units will be like inches cubed, feet cubed, meters cubed, or you can also say cubic meters, cubic inches, cubic feet. In general, volume is, this capital B means area of the base. Okay, that is area of the base times the height. So in general, you take the area of the base and you multiply it by the height. Looking at this box, what shape is the base? It's a rectangle. So you take the area of the base. What's the area of a rectangle? Base times height, or we're going to say length times width. That's the area of that rectangle. Now multiply it by the height of this box. So the volume of a box or a cube is length times width times height. For a cylinder, what is the base? What shape is it? It's a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now you multiply it by the height of the cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared, which that's the area of the base, times your height. Same with the box. Length times width is the area of the base times your height. So these are two formulas you can add to your formula card. This is the volume of a box or a cube, the volume of a cylinder. Alright, let's look at 14D, number 1. We have a box here, 7 meters by 8 meters by 10 meters. We want the volume. Volume of a box is length times width times height. So, length, you can call this either one you want to call length. I'll just call it, the length is 10 meters by 7 meters for the width, and then the height is 8 meters. So you basically multiply all these together. It doesn't matter what order I multiply these are in, because multiplication is commutative. So 8 times 7 is 56. 56 times 10 is 560. So 560, and I want cubic meters. I can even write it cubic meters if I want. So cubic meters, that's your volume, that's how much will fit inside this box. Let's look at 14D2. We have a cylinder. Remember, the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base. Area of a circle, which is the base, is pi r squared. Now we multiply it by the height. That's your formula for the volume of a cylinder. How much will fit inside this cylinder? We want the radius. This problem gives us the diameter, so be careful. The diameter is 7 feet. So I want the radius. The radius is half of the diameter, so the radius is half of 7, which is 3.5, 3.5 feet. So now I can find the volume. Volume equals pi, I'm just going to use 3.14. And then the radius is 3.5 squared times your height, which is 3 feet. Remember, order of operation says do the exponent first. So you need to square the 3.5 first. So 3.5 squared is not 3.5 times 2. So I still have pi. 3.5 squared is 12.25 times 3. Now multiplying all these together, I get 115.395. I'm just going to round to 2 decimals to say 115.40. And we're dealing with feet, so cubic feet.